Hello everyone. In this presentation, I'll be discussing the knowledge gap in global governance. I'll explain what this gap means, why it matters, provide a real-world example, and suggest a solution to help close it. What is knowledge gap? The knowledge gap happens when governments, leaders, or institutions do not have enough accurate, complete, or updated information about an issue. Because of missing or incorrect knowledge, they often make poor or slow decisions. This gap can lead to confusion, weak policies, and ineffective responses to global problems. Why the knowledge gap matters? This matters because global challenges such as pandemics, climate change, and security threats require clear and reliable information. When leaders lack the right knowledge, they may delay taking action or create policies that don't address the real problem. Having complete and accurate information is essential for the world to work together effectively. Its best example is COVID-19. A strong example of the knowledge gap is what happened at the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. When the virus first appeared, the world didn't have enough information about how dangerous it was, how it spread, or how quickly it could affect communities. This lack of early knowledge made many governments made unsure about what to do. COVID-19's global impact. Because some countries did not have complete or accurate information, their responses were delayed or inconsistent. Meanwhile, other countries that had early scientific data acted more quickly and effectively. This difference in knowledge led to millions of preventable infections. The pandemic became much worse because accurate information wasn't shared globally from the beginning. What COVID-19 reveals? The pandemic reveals that shared knowledge is essential for global cooperation. Without accurate, transparent, and coordinated information, the world cannot respond effectively to major threats. COVID-19 showed how misinformation delays, and lack of communication can affect public health, economies, and international relations. So for the proposed solution, to close the knowledge gap, the world needs a stronger global data sharing system. Organizations like the United Nations and the World Health Organization should create a platform where countries must report reliable and early information during crises. This would help leaders make faster, smarter decisions, reduce confusion, and strengthen global cooperation. In conclusion, the knowledge gap makes global problems harder to solve and weakens cooperation between countries. By improving data sharing and ensuring that governments have access to accurate information, we can prevent future crises and build a more stable and prepared world. So, for the last, here's a quote. When knowledge crosses borders, solutions know no limits. So this quote means that when countries share information freely, we become stronger and more capable of solving global problems. No nation can face crises alone. But when knowledge flows across borders, solutions expand, cooperation grows, and the world becomes safer. Shared knowledge creates unlimited possibilities for progress. So that's all. Thank you. I hope you learned something. Bye.